Hello traders, we are back with one more setup quickly. So the pair is Euro USD this time. Before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time right here. So refresh, and it is 2:31 a.m. Tuesday 19th of May 2026 in EST. So let's come back to my chart right here. So this was your down move and pull back and retest of this black line. Okay, so we already have completed the down move, so we might make a new low, we may not, nobody knows. Okay, so probably we'll make a new low, but to be on the safer side, we'll exit before this one. So entry at the current price, and TP will be my black line, which you see around 16260. Okay, maybe 15 pips in this trade, so whatever happens, we'll come back and let you know. So entry on this candle, and maybe just 10 pips in this one. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll record the video once the TP is hit. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit. So you can see the price has just touched the black line, and let's check the date and time first. So refresh, and it is 4:53 a.m. Tuesday 19th of May 2026 in EST, and we have made 12 pips in this trade. Let's show you. So you can see the screenshot. This is EUR USD, the video which I uploaded half an hour ago, I guess. Okay, we made 9 pips in EUR USD. Why am I making these videos for like 10 pips only? Because it's about knowing what is going to happen and being correct. Okay, so if I know what's going to happen, 10 pips is good enough, right? Even I give you 100 pips, you have seen those videos. If you haven't seen, then go and click the first link below and go and check out those setup videos. Okay, so Euro USD, this is here. We entered at 1638.6 and exit at 1626, 12 pips. Okay, so I just don't only record the video, I take those trades myself too. It's not possible for me to record every video every time I take a trade. Okay, anyways, Euro USD, 12 pips, we have taken the profit. You can use the lot sizes as per your available balance. Okay, but 12 pips is what it is here, and this might even go down, make a new low, who knows. Okay, we had to exit before this previous low, which we did. So this could even go further down. I don't take any guarantees. Okay, what I guaranteed was 12 pips, which I have taken already, and that's all about it. And there are many trades all running in my account, which I will not show you, obviously. I will upload those videos once the take profit is hit one by one. Okay, now if you want these setups before they happen, when you're watching this video right now, everything is done. I entered, I have exited, the profit is booked. Okay, so if you want these trades when I take them and when I exit, then you can go and join the first link below. Help yourself, otherwise nobody can help you. You have to help yourself first. Okay, you have to join the program. So click the first link below, join the program, or maybe you are already on the sales page, who knows. Okay, so go and join the program. That's the only way you can get these setups live before they actually happen. Okay, otherwise you can just enjoy these videos, learn something. Okay, learn something for free, and keep watching me making this kind of money. If you want to make this kind of money, make sure you join the program. Till then, see you again.